Yeah, guys, we're gonna do a quick thing, you know? I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you a secret recipe, you know? Secret rest to the piece. I want to do carrot, lemon, matcha. Now I want to do a different combination of matcha because this also should wake you up. And I still have a little bit of matcha, so why to the knots? Where is the spoons? Where is the spoons? There is the spoons. So matcha with the fam, guys. I've still never tried matcha. You also don't need to after this recipe, you know. So we go for a little bit of matcha, you know. The little bit of the matcha. What carrot, lemon? Is it tasty? I want to try. Now this is matcha, you know. First ingredient. Then to add on it hot water. I now did the research, or actually a friend told me how to do it correctly, you know. This is now the first layer. Hot water plus the matcha. We trust the process, yeah. Okay, we have the green drink, you know, looking all. And now the thing is, I even bought milk for that. Milk. So, milk on top of it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Damn, it really looks like it how it should look, right? So, milk. Now we have this base. Then I heard that you have to add some, but not too much. Looks very appetizing. A little bit of cinnamon sugar in there. I heard that. Damn, this could now be really nice. Cinnamon plus sugar, cinnamon sugar, good combination. Is it good? I've been wanting to try matcha. Yeah, we're gonna see. I tried this new recipe now out. Then a tiny spoon. Oh, now my spoon is a little bit dirty. Ah, it's gonna be disgusting, but it's my honey, so it's okay. A little bit of honey. A little bit of honey. I don't like the taste of matcha. That looks amazing. Hey, it actually looks kind of good. So honey, milk, hot water, a little bit of cinnamon, and hey, this looks really good. I'm curious. Stop. Why matcha? Don't try this. Matcha just tastes like grass to me. And this is like the combination that people said should taste really good. Then a little bit of this of the oats, and also what I heard. I'm crashing out, why? I don't like it. Yeah, I think I try again. Give me that. Yeah, and then they also said a little bit of kefir. Kefir. A little bit of kefir for the healthiness. And last thing is magic water. It is magic water. I guess I have to try the way you make it. Yeah, and a little bit of. Damn. Okay, now I'm actually curious how this combination tastes. Oh god, oh god. Damn, this looks now really good. This, for real, I don't know, if you... I heard of this recipe and for some reason it looks stunning. It looks like how it should look, I think. Hey, and I make a little bit of a mess. Astonishing. Nobody wrote astonishing. That actually looks good. See? That actually looks good. I love the shade. Looks pretty. Okay. I'm actually curious. So what do we have in there? Matcha, hot water. It's so nice. Warm. Milk. Beetroot juice. Cinnamon. Honey. Wait. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. I hope it tastes good. Why it's pink? Because of the beetroot. It really tastes nice. It's scaring me, boy. It really tastes nice. For real. I would say this tastes better than the last time. Silence. Please stay alive. Why? There are only healthy things in it. Skeptical, but let's go. Hey, I would say, no jokes, all jokes besides. With the sugar and all, it tastes like I would, if someone would sell this to me and says like this is our new combination, I can only recommend. I would say it's good. Give us a big reaction. Oh my god! We need to make reaction. Your face is saying you're capping on my mom's. It's not bad. On my mom's, it's a 7.9 out of 10. Gordon Ramsay is gonna rate this 10 out of 10. If I were in a dessert, I might try it. I don't believe that's the reaction we needed. Oh my god! Do you like biryani? Yeah. Why did the matcha break up with the coffee? It found someone a little more grounded. For real, 7.9. 7.9, not bad. Otherwise I wouldn't drink like this, you know? Please have a sip and then react. Okay. What the fuck? Yeah, okay, it's nice. Anyways, I need more energy. Are you sleepy? More energy? Should I scream through the whole student dorm? Okay, how does it taste like? Matcha milky. Actually, I don't taste so much matcha anymore. Like I still taste the, oh, it's also a little bit here in the, what is, it's the oats, guys. It tastes very milky, to be honest. Like hot milk with honey. Hot milk with honey and a little bit of, you know, the cinnamon flavor actually. I love the recipe, I try. Be careful. But for real, like for real, I think I would prefer this. Like on a Christmas market, after the hot chocolate, I would take this. Like the hot chocolate is still better, obviously. But this is nice because it tastes healthy, you know? And you should have at only those 3. True, but I think, imagine, you know, imagine you live in a, I don't, you know, if anybody wants to open a new business, imagine you live in Cologne, you know, those are always the student girls who are looking for something special, you know, for something that nobody and healthy, and then you say like, damn, I have a new combination of matcha, beetroot, cinnamon, all this stuff, and you sell this glass for like 8 euros. I bet that this would make good, you know, would make good money, because the people would be like, oh my god, this looks so fancy. Okay, anyways. Maybe you know what I mean.